Another challenge that companies are seeing with using agile is that previously you would develop something and it's for an external customer. And so you may create some pain points, some impacts, but it's outside of your organization and you don't really have to deal with that. But now what we're seeing is clients are actually developing things for internal customers. And so when you change one aspect of your, say, your bank advisor's daily job, there's implications for other aspects of your business, and you create pain points and you create difficulties, and your organization actually does have to absorb those. Now we're working with clients on ways to integrate business and development more closely, and we look at that in sort of 3 ways along the spectrum. First of all, how do you actually ideate and find the new ideas for development? Secondly, how do you actually execute the development, and working with the business in that way? And then finally, looking at value realization and proving the value that you've created for the business. We're working with a client here in Sweden. It's a large financial services institution, and we're developing a CRM program for them. So we have to look at, for each feature that we're developing, look at how that sits inside of their overall process. So for example, if you lose your credit card and you go into a branch, there's one way that you can report that that's done now. So as we develop a system to support that, we need to make sure that we mirror that process, or that we change it in a way that works for that banking institution.